Good morning, students. Welcome to computer science class. In this topic, we will be discussing about digital presentation. So, what is presentation? Presentation is a key feature to get your message or opinion across the audience. So, presenting a particular topic in front of the audience to make them clear what you're talking about is called as presentation. So, what are all the points which includes under presentation? So, while presenting your topic, you will be including regular text format or list of items like the things I have listed for you, then the table for showing your progress, graphical elements to show the progress, and sound and video in case of animation we will be using. So picture effects and effects can be added to your presentation. So these are the elements that comes under the presentation. So presentation is a key feature to make the audience to know about your knowledge on the particular topic. So Impress here is one of the important component of LibreOffice suite. So we are working with LibreOffice application. In the last chapter, we have worked in the Calc application for performing spreadsheet applications. So in this, we will be working under Impress like MS Office. In the MS Office, we will be working under the MS PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint. Here, we will be working with Impress under the LibreOffice suite. So it runs on Windows, Linux and other Mac OS also. Okay, these are different types of operating systems which helps the LibreOffice Impress to run on it. So for what is a characteristics of a good quality presentation? So we have said presentation is the way we express our thoughts to the audience. So for that we need some slides to be presented in front of them. So for a perfect, that is for a quality rich presentation, we need some criteria. So for a presentation it should have a number of lines not exceeding 5 to 8. Okay, so for example, if you are presenting a topic under with using a slide, it should contain 5 to 8 lines in a slide, and the font size should be 32 and more than it. If you are presenting with less than 32, the audience will not be able to see what is being given under the slide. The next thing is correct use of grammar and language. Even if you explain it clearly, the content you are presenting on the slide should be clear and it should be rich in grammar. Okay, the next thing is inserting images, drawings and tables and graphs. So while inserting images, it should contain, so the graphical diagrams, formatting pictures have to be applied. The next thing is use of colors. The colors should be including both the text color as well as the background color. So if I am presenting a background with light color and the font size also in the light color, the content will not be much clear to the audience. So it should be in the contrary. So if the background is in the light color, my content, that is the font, should be in the dark color. The next one is animation and videos. So animation and videos, if I am presenting animation and videos, it should not have more number of animations and videos for a particular slide or a single slide. The next one is pay attention to the target group. If I am presenting to particular group of people, for example, I am presenting for a competition, my focus and my target is towards the judge, not towards the people who make or who ignore me. Okay, next, these are the qualities of a good presentation. Next thing is how to start with LibreOffice Impress. So as like we have started the LibreOffice Calc, It is the same method, same procedure to start with the start option. So we have to begin with the initiate with the start or Windows option, and from that we have to select LibreOffice application. From the application we have to use LibreOffice Impress application. So from that, once you click that, you can see this page, this image. This is the window of LibreOffice Impress. So it contains, this is called out to be the workspace, this is called out to be the slide span, and this is called out to be the task pan. Okay, so here these three things are the major pans of the LibreOffice Impress window. So here you will be working with what you are going to initiate about. Here you will be having list of slides for you to switch over or to navigate. Okay, here we'll have some task what to present on it. The next thing is, so these are the list of options that comes under the parts of the Impress window. First thing is, the first one is the title bar. So the title bar is used to tell the title of the window. So title bar will be displayed on the top of the window. So what the current file you are working, no, the name of the current presentation name will be displayed on the title bar. So menu bar is the thing which we have been working under: file, edit, view, insert, format. These are all different types of menu bars that is comes under the Impress window. Okay, next thing is file menu. So the file menu is for using the basic operations like saving, opening a new presentation, then saving a new presentation. Okay, then quitting, that is closing a presentation. All these options comes under file menu. Edit option includes so editing, that is formatting, bolder sizes, changing the sizes, formats. All these things comes under the edit menu. Then view tab is used to open the open the presentation in different views, that is zoom in, zoom out, all those things. Next one is insert. If I want to insert any graphical items, that is like pictures, clip arts, or tables, or charts, or graphics, whatever, so that things can be added using the insert tab. Next one is format. So formatting here is the slide representation. So in which different formats I am applying the content to be displayed to the audience. Next one is slide. So slide includes inserting new slides, then presenting, then slide appearance can be changed, fill with colors, background colors, all those things comes under slide option. So slideshow represents to run a slideshow. So if I want to run a slideshow from the beginning, or from a particular slide, or I want to show only one slide, so all these things comes under slideshow option. The next one is windows. Windows will help you to switch over, that is navigate. Help will be connecting you to the main office, that will be a main center, that through the internet facilities. The next one is standard toolbar. The standard toolbar will be containing the font sizes, then font, then italicizing, bolding. So all these things comes under standard toolbar. Slide pan includes by creating new slides for that, and what are the different formats of slides available, layouts, all those things. So workspace includes where we are working with. So currently working, the editing work can be done under the workspace option. The next one is slides. So slides will be listed on the left side, so that you can navigate easily through the whichever slides you need to be work out. The next one is layout. Layout is used to present your slides to be shown clearly to the audience in different styles, formats, etc. These are the parts of the LibreOffice Impress window. Next one is how to close a LibreOffice Impress. So As I said, you have to select the file menu and you have to select exit option. Then you have to select alt plus F4 option to close a LibreOffice Impress window. The next one more method is control plus Q will also be helpful for you to close the LibreOffice Impress window. How to create a presentation? So if you are creating a presentation, you have to select the file tab. From the file tab, you have to select new option so that our initial page will be, the home page will be displayed to you. In it, you can start typing, or else simply you can press Ctrl plus N to open a new presentation. The first slide will be called out as the title slide. If you don't have the title slide, you can go to the slide tab. From the slide tab, select the slide layout option, and from the slide layout option, you have to select the title slide option, so that the title slide will be displayed, what the content, what your entire presentation is going to be about. All those things will be compressed in a single title slide. The next thing is adding a text. So if I'm opening this, I have opened, now I have to add the content into it. The two options will be given: click to add title and click to add subtitle. If I am giving the title, I have to click to add title option, and the that box will be under enable mode, and we can start typing our content. Similarly for the subtitle options also. The next thing is saving a presentation file. So if I'm going to save a presentation, I have to select a file tab. From the file tab, I have to choose save option, or else I have to select Ctrl plus S for shortcut for saving my file. The extension can be given for this is .odp. .odp is the extension for the presentation, LibreOffice Impress presentation. The next one is saving presentation with different names. So if I'm saving it with different names, I have to select the file tab. From the file tab, I have to move to the save as option. So from using save as, I can save my file in different names or different positions, etc. The shortcut for that is shift plus control plus S. The next one is running a slideshow. If I'm going to run a slideshow is presenting the slides one after the other and thus in a progress. And also while running a slides, we can also explain it. That is the thing that called out as running a slideshow. So I have to start from this first slide. So we have to select, you have to select the slide option, slides tab. Under the slideshow tab, you have to select start from the first slide option. From the first slide option, you will be able to execute the slide one after the other on the screen. The next one is, if I want to close quit, you can move to the last slide, and there will be an option will be displayed, click to exit presentation. Once you click that page, your presentation will be exited, or you can move or navigate to the other slides using cursor options. Saving a file as a HTML. If I want to save my file, that is presentation, as a HTML, I have to select file tab, and then export option have to be select. And similarly for PDF, you have to select as export as PDF option, so that the files will be saved as a PDF format. Okay, next, thank you.